Hey, what are you talking about? Oh, that's a real nice shot. For sure. Sure, no, look at it. It's beautiful. It's got your nice smile in it. It's got the professional black borders. Oh, it's real nice. I think it turned out great. Really. You sell this thing for a mint. No, it's got a lot of potential. I like it. I like it. It's got a lot of potential. I got one like it on my wall. Shot. I love it. Oh, wait, I gotta go. Yeah, okay, yeah, right, yeah, okay. Yeah, okay, I'll transfer it down. Yeah, okay, hold on. Yeah, okay, I gotta go. Bye. Yeah, okay, right, hey, what are you doing today? How you doing? Hey, oh, so you got your photo finishing clip here. Well, thanks. Oh, yeah, let me see if I got yours ready. Oh, here we go. Just had to be out on the table. I knew you were coming by today. Oh, really? What do you say we open them up? We'll check out how they came out, okay? That sounds really good. Yeah. Hey. Whoa. Hey, he turned out nice. Take a look at this. I like that big size. That's great, man. Really, that's a nice silhouette shot. I kind of like it. That's a nice one. Hey, I see you were into it. You took a couple of them, huh? I can see why. Hey, interesting subject matter. I like the little pink flowers in the background there. That's great. I love that. See, you got a couple more of them here, too. 1, 2, 3. Hey, well, you never get enough of a good thing, you know? That's what I always say. You know, I'm taking pictures. I've been taking pictures all. I've been taking pictures a long time now. I've been trying to get this kind of a shot, really. Look at that nice silhouette by the back. What do you do? What do you do to get this shot? Anyway, I try to take this shot. When I try to take this kind of shot, I use a 400 speed film. I set it like over 125th on an f8. Is that what you do? Because, you know, I've been trying to get this shot for a long time now, but I have problems. I can see you're really versed at it. You got a lot of them here, and they came out really well. Look at that nice even gray tone there, huh? Look at that nice even gray tone. Ain't that nice? And got the little pink flowers in the background there. And look at this one here. You even cut off some of the gray tone. Oh, well, these came out a little lighter. I don't know. Maybe this is what you were shooting for here. Well, this came out nice. I like it. Look at that painting in the background there. Looks like a double exposure or something. Is that what you're trying to do there? Double exposure? That's great, boy. I'll tell you, my kid used to take pictures like this. Now he's working with computers, though, you know? Working with computers. He's doing a hell of a job with computers. Yeah, he's up at Kutztown State. I think you know the place. Kutztown, yeah. Right, yeah. You got a kid goes to Kutztown, too? Hey, that's a great school, man. He used to take pictures for the yearbook, you know, stuff like that. Hey, he's into computers now. I don't know if the yearbook uses computers. What's in the background? Hey, no, that's great. It's great. Yeah, they're gonna love the pictures. I mean, grandmom's there in the dark. It's a great shot. You want some film to go with that? Got some film. I got some film here for you. It's great buy on film. Great buy on film. So you get your 15% with the process. That's a great deal. It's a great deal. So 20 rolls of film. The 15th one is free. So you get 20 rolls of film. You get one and a half free. You can't beat that. Sure. Okay. You take the film. You want the little pictures here. This is great stuff. Your mother's gonna love that. Yes, sir. Tell you, hey, you want some of the free album pages? Go with it. Sure. I got some free album pages. I mean, no. What do you think? You paid me. These are your pictures, buddy. You're not taking them? Hey, I'm taking them, pal. Yeah. Hey, Bruno, there's a guy coming out the door. Right, yeah, next door to you. I want you to get the guy. Yeah, you listen to me. It's $50 for the pictures.